Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today we are going to play a game that I've basically never played before. So I downloaded 4 or 5 new games. 2048 and Fruit Merge because I'm a nerd, so don't worry about that. And then Truck Manager, Lego Star Wars, and Stunt Car Extreme, which is pretty cringe. So we're gonna play. So I wanted to try Truck Manager and Lego Star Wars. So we're just gonna for this episode we're just gonna play Truck Manager and see what it's about basically. Okay, trophy games. Before you start, hello trucker. To play Truck Manager, you must accept our terms. Okay, agree. Oh my. What is this, like an iPhone? What is this, bro? Hello trucker, how exciting with your new startup. Do you need help on selecting the perfect location for your first truck terminal? Okay, yes. Give me some advice. Building your setup is easier if you apply common knowledge you already have. Therefore, I recommend selecting a country or area you are already familiar with it. Okay, got it. What else do I need to know? Demand is key. Larger cities offer more demand, but also face fierce competition as your company grows. A medium or large city is typically a good place to start. Okay, I think I got it. We're gonna go USA, cause no. Yes, USA. I like that. No, I don't want to go there, brother. I want to go here. Okay, this map is so laggy. Oh no. What? Oh my god, bro. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, so it's going good now. It was just lagging a bit, I think. And it's still lagging. Okay, I'm just not even gonna try, so I'm just gonna pick this place here. Okay, but just select it. Okay. Buying the optimal vehicles requires thought. I handpicked 2 good choices for you. Okay, I'm gonna select. Okay. So, actually, we're gonna go metric. 3,608 gallons. Okay. What is this? Alright, so open F36260LB. Diesel. God dang, 26,000 pounds. Capacity. Gallons. I feel like I should go with the van. Because I don't think I'm patient enough to drive this. You know, the acceleration and stuff. So, we're just gonna go whatever this brand is. I don't know. I don't know what that is, but Volksauto. You know what? Whatever. Just select it. Okay. Excellent choice. Selecting the perfect route is crucial. Since you selected the Volksauto, I'm looking at a medium to long local route with high daily demand. Okay. Okay. So I think I should go to like maybe not too far so it's like right here. Yeah, why not? Why not? How long is it? An hour and 20 minutes or a minute, I don't even know what that. An hour and 20 minutes is what I'm guessing. 422. Okay, 563. Alright, light, okay. That's good. Now it's time to depart the vehicle. Do you need help with how the status pin works? I don't know how that works. I'm not a trucker. Vehicles have 4 states, which are the tabs at the bottom of the panel. The most important ones are that and idle and in route. When vehicles are idle, you can depart them. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's how it works. Found. I thought. Oh wait. Oh yeah. This is I thought I was gonna drive it, bro. Oops. Should have picked the other one. My company. I don't know. Just. Hey gamer. Why not? Approved. Wow, that's cool. I didn't even have to do any paperwork. The heck? What is this? No, I don't want to read more, bro. I don't know what this is. Okay. Oh. What is this? Oh, what is this? Create? Wait. Yes, I want to create the new route. Bro. The heck? Bro. Bro, what? I swear, bro. Bro, I literally... Okay, wait. Hold on. Okay, never mind. That's not what you're supposed to do. So, I thought you had to, like, click. But, so basically... Wait. Hold on. Subsidy was approved. Okay. Oh. Okay. So I can buy another vehicle. I want to order another vehicle. Oh. Oh, hell no. Vehicle type. Please not a tractor, bro. Rigid truck. Wait, it says I have $300,000. Wait, shouldn't I be able to buy all this? I have 300,000. Oh my god. Okay, finally loaded. So, we're just gonna buy it, cause why not? Yay! Wow. Create route. And this time... Okay, we're going from there. Wait, what? Hold on. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, nice. Okay. Depart all. Taking a while. Bro, why is it taking so long? Oh, let's go. Yay. Wow, that's so cool, bro. That is so cool. Wow. Okay, maybe that's not that cool. Oh my. Okay, this is gonna take forever. You know what? Let's just buy another vehicle. Why not? Why not? Totally. Panel van. Okay. $35. Okay. Electric? I don't know about electric, but let's see. How is that? That does not look electric, bro. You know what? Let's just buy this. I'm just gonna buy a random vehicle. Yeah. Okay. Create route. Create route. So that one's. And for this one, oh my god, bro. Hold on. Let's do it right there. Yes. Select destination. Confirm destination. Alright. Depart. Come on, departed already, bro. Departed. Holy moly, bro. This is gonna take like 5 years, bro. I swear, this is not gonna take. Okay, so I think it's kind of messed up. It looks like it's. I think it's departed. Like, look, it's not at the destination where it started from. So I'm guessing it departed, but we'll have to see, and that'll be it for today's video. So see you guys in the next episode of this, maybe this game. So see ya.